Welcome to Module 1 in the online course Periodontology 2 and Portfolio Development. This course is written for second-year dental hygiene students in their final semester of an Associates of Applied Science program. This course will encompass the study of motivational interviewing, periodontal surgery, surgical therapies, and the dental hygienist's role in treatment planning. The use of research and evidence-based care planning will be implemented throughout the course. Introduce yourself to everyone by saying hello. Welcome back. I'd like to know how your holiday went. I'm looking forward to hearing if any of you have started preparing for your boards. Also, tell us how much time you're spending in the preparation of your textbooks so that way we can organize and get ready to sit down and review what we have already learned. Now let's review the syllabus and the requirements for successful completion of Periodontology 2. In the first order of business, we must discuss course etiquette. As an online student, communication is quite different than face-to-face. The difference is that communication via written word in an online environment is void of language cues and immediate feedback. It is very important to understand the rules of good online etiquette. This will ensure that the message you intend to convey is correctly received. So let's be respectful, be aware of strong language, as using all caps and exclamation points has a different meaning. Be careful with humor and sarcasm. Use correct grammar and spelling. And if you need to cite references in your postings, do so. Do not post or share inappropriate material, and be forgiven and remember that not everyone will know or remember these rules before posting. Try to be understanding of others when they struggle with the written communication. The course requirements will be 3 small surgical review papers, 4 discussion postings and follow-up responses, 4 module quizzes, 1 case study analysis, 2 case study peer reviews, and your online portfolio. You will need to complete all of these assignments with a 75% proficiency to complete this course. The grading scale is as follows. You will note that there is a half a point curve already added to this grading scale. There will be no other curves added to grading in this course. The course syllabus and calendar can be found among the content pages. The course calendar provides date and module number, content for the week that will be covered, and assignment links. The course assignment section of the calendar provides a checklist of assignments that are due and their corresponding drop boxes. Begin each week by reading the agenda pages for each module. They will be found under each module heading. They contain a list of the coursework for the week. All the module instructional videos as the weekly lecture videos, surgical videos, and assignment instruction videos will be found in the agenda pages. They will also have links to all the assignments, drop boxes, quizzes, and discussion postings. Please take the time to read these pages carefully. There are grading rubrics for all assignments. These rubrics should be reviewed prior to submission to ensure all components of the assignment are met. The following is the rubric for discussion and response postings that are incorporated into the course. Each posting must be 100 words in length and align with the assigned case study question for the module. Postings are graded on their thoughtful and insightful contribution to the discussion board. Each discussion and response posting is worth 50 points for a total of 200. The discussion postings are due Wednesday at midnight, and the follow-up response postings are due by Sunday midnight. The posts will be assessed on content, timeliness of posting, and word count. I'd like to discuss the surgical review papers required for this course. There are 3 short papers that will amount to 500 words in their entirety. 400 words will be devoted to the literature content, and 100 words will be devoted to the reflection of learning. These papers will capture the information presented in the surgical videos as well as your textbook readings. A template will be provided to ensure that the paper is set up in APA format for scientific writing. An example of the assignment is also provided in the rubric. These assignments are worth 100 points for a total of 300 points or 30% of your final grade. Each paper will follow a different topic. Video 1 will cover flap surgery. Video 2 will cover free gingival grafts. And video 3 will be immediate implant placement following a surgical extraction. This slide illustrates the rubric that will be used for grading the surgical review papers. There are 4 module quizzes throughout this course. Prior to taking the quiz, answer the review questions for each module. 10 questions will be selected from this list for the quiz. You will have 15 minutes to complete the quiz, and these quizzes will constitute 20% of your final grade. The last assignment for Periodontology 2 are case study questions. In the back of your textbook, you will note there are several case studies. You will select a case study and answer 10 of the questions within the list provided. You will post your answer to the assignment Dropbox and to the discussion board. For case study peer reviews, you will assess 2 of your peers' case study questions. You will post your response to the assignment Dropbox for grading. These assignments will constitute 30% of your final grade. As part of the assignments for graduation, you are required to develop a professional portfolio. We will be using PhotoGen. This is a free online software that is very easily used. You will review and assess 2 of your peers' portfolio, which this assignment will constitute 10% of your final grade for Periodontology 2. You will also use your portfolio in your community practicum course to log your reflections and journaling of your field experiences. This week's assignments will include the reading of the syllabus and the completion of the syllabus agreement. By Wednesday midnight, post to the discussion board by introducing yourself and a short bio of your holiday break experiences and responding to one of your peers by saying, "Hello again, I've missed you." More details on the assignments will be provided in each module that they are due. Have a great week and contact me if you do not understand any of the assignments that have been presented.